So guys, welcome back. Today we are continuing to our lesson with while and do while loop. In the previous lecture we talked about while loop, and in this lecture we are going to learn about do while. If before the begin this lecture, I'm going to show you I'm going to tell you something that do while I can say years of my practice showed me that I never used do while, but however, I'm going to tell you about do while because you can see do while when you're reading someone's code and you don't get surprised. So let's write. I'm going to write do a plus plus. It's so easy, guys, do not worry. While a smaller than, and that's it. That's it. I'm going to write SOUT, and let's write this, and let's run our application. We got 100. So guys, what we got, let's see. We said do this while a smaller than 100, while a bigger than 100 or equals to 100, stop this. And you can see here we got 100. If you can think, guys, we had to get 99 here, 99, but we get 100. Let's see why. Because when our a was 99, I'm going to write here 99, it enter here and it tests a is 99 smaller than 100, yes, and we printed here 99, and we came here and our 99 became 100. And when we got here, we said, is 100 smaller than 100? No. And our while loop is finished. Okay, but here our value of a was 100, and here we printed 100. Okay, it's the easy. And if I want to write like this, what will I get? I will get all of these. Let's see, you can see here, guys, from 2 and to 100. This is our do while loop, and like I said before, we will not use while the course, we will not use this loop because I don't want to use this. For me, using while much more easier than using this. So guys, let's see in the next lecture.